It did it for a little bit and then it stopped. I don't know, it just looks like, I don't know if the fan's leaning out or what the hell's going on. I don't know, see what you guys say.